Hey guys, what's up? It's Star. I mean, Sophia the Star. I'm not gonna edit that part out. I might. I don't know. But this is my dog Princess. Everyone say hello. This is her. She's in a lot of pain right now. Because yesterday she got stitched up because she hurt herself on her paw. About right here and under it. So she's really scared. You probably can't see her. If you can, I'm gonna try. Wait, pause right there. She's hyperventilating. Wait, I'm trying to get in the best for you. Maybe that. There's the paw. You can see her paw right there. Focus. I'm not gonna focus. There it is. Right there. Yeah, it's all focused. Right there. But that's what happened. But in this video, I'm not asking for likes or anything in particular. I want to do a dog vlog. So, it's right here. You guys are just supportive about it. I'm just trying to support her because she's in a lot of pain right now, and it breaks my heart for this. But yeah. But anyway, bye guys.